If you saw this woman dancing late at night, don't look at her, just run away. She is Serbian Dancing Lady. The story is about a strange woman who appears at night, dancing alone in empty streets of Serbia. She looks odd, wearing old-fashioned clothes, and her dance is creepy and unnatural. At first, she looks very beautiful, but if you try to get closer, she suddenly stops dancing, pulls out a knife, and starts chasing you. The most famous encounter of Serbian Lady was in 2004, when a man saw a beautiful woman dancing late at night. He was curious and started filming her with his phone. When she noticed him,
drinks in the room, it just us two. Drinks in the room, it just us two, girl. Down the whole thing if you want to. Down the whole thing, show me you a big girl. I'm rocking 2 chains, bumping 2 chains in a.
What is that one sound na kapag narinig mo palang iiyak ka na? Ako kasi papasok na naman.
Guys, mga akong tag-tomboy. Ay, tomboy. Mga akong tag-lumboy. Piskot. Lumboy, tomboy.
Ka-vlog naman na siya.
Mga akong tag-tomboy. Piskot, tomboy. Mga akong tag-lumboy na.
Guys, pagka na-tomboy. Pagka na-tomboy.
Ayaw na. Bukang mong ka.
Bye, little monkey, jumping on that bed.
What?
Monkey, hopping, bumping.
Okay.
Mama got a doctor. Doctor said,
What you say?
no more monkey jumping on.
Okay, klase, uwo, pag-present ha? Chloe. Amen! Ano ka, daga? Next, Kate.
Ma'am, uwo.
Ano?
Uwo. Uwo.
Anong ginagawa mo? Kabastusan mo? Ma'am, nag-exercise po ako. Ang aga niyo po kasi magpapasok. Akala ko kung ano na. Okay, Lando. Oo. Onggoy ka? Nakikipaglokohan ako sa'yo? Ikasalanan ka pa sa akin, ha?
Magandang araw po. Nandito po ako para po magatid ng mensahe galing sa Panginoon. Ay, hindi po kayo nakapagsalita? Sige, maraming salamat po.
Ingat po.
Ay, puto.
Ay, tamo tong bata to talagang di mapagsabihan eh. Sabing wag mong gagalawin yan.
Sa ilalim ng tulay, pinabaon sa lubang, musti siyang pinatay habang walang nakakakita. Bulok na